It's been pretty positive, Taryn. Last night during the State of the City address in Detroit, the call went out. They're looking for shot stoppers. They're willing to pay up to $700,000 a year if you can cut down the rate of gun crimes in the city. So we wanted to know, what can people do with that kind of money?
The people.
For years, Detroit activists have been fighting crime their own way, pounding pavement in an effort to save lives.
You know, some of us have been working together for decades. Brother Malik and I have been out here, since the 80s.
We'll go in the areas the police want us to go, but we hear things they don't hear.
Detroit Deputy Mayor Todd Bettison says the city is well aware.
Many of the groups are volunteering working right now, or they're getting dollars from raising their own funds, or they're getting philanthropic dollars.
And now is the time for the city to financially back this effort.
It's a long time coming, and it can be a potential good thing if the money is dealt with appropriately.
The White House, the Biden administration supports it. They've sent money down through the states into the cities.
The city is accepting proposals. 3 to 5 will be selected as shot stoppers, each receiving $700,000 a year to prevent a shooting before it happens. Malik Shabazz says he will submit a bid.
One, we need a building.
With plans to expand the current operation.
Hire like 20 people. Set up a street patrol.
Tafuri Brent, another Detroit activist, was instrumental in creating the new Shot Stopper program.
Those of us who have been doing this work and who are on the front line and in the trenches doing this work, that we are public health workers. And if we are public health workers, we need to be treated like first responders, and we should be compensated and resourced so that we can do this work around the clock.
If you get the $700,000, the city will give you 2 years to reduce gun violence in your section of Detroit.
But there are hotspots that just don't move.
And if it works,
if they reduce shootings below the citywide trend, they could actually get double their base.
the city has a total of $10 million to spend. If you have a proposal or you know somebody that does in the city of Detroit, you have until April 10th to submit that. Reporting live tonight, Dave Spencer, Fox 2 News.
Well, lots of incentive there. And Dave, I mean, when does the city expect the shot stoppers to be in operation?
Yeah, they're acting fast, right? We have a deadline of April 10th, but they want these things up and running by the summer, the end of this summer, and then you have 2 years to see how effective it is, and then they will re-up the program if they deem it effective.
And we know crime always spikes in the summer, so that would be a lot of help right there. Dave, thanks so much.